What do you have?
Lemon, chilies, leaves,
What herbs do you have?
cultivate.
You need to tell me the name. This is rosemary, and this, I guess, is thyme. So you have some herbs and some lemons and chilies.